Your peace of mind is worth protecting. Guarding your home from the hazards that come as a result of unprotected gutters is important. Hazards like fire, infestations, foundation cracking, and mold can occur as a result of clogged gutters. LeafBlaster Pro gutter guards are made for homeowners who demand professional-grade quality to help protect their home from these hazards. Applying what we've learned from 20-plus years of gutter guard innovation, LeafBlaster Pro stainless steel micromesh offers maximum filtration and protection using patented technology and unique features which other solutions cannot offer. It starts with an all-aluminum rail, providing strength and rigidity, supported by stainless steel micromesh that filters everything from leaves, pine needles, and even small debris like roof grit, without rusting, warping, or cracking. The Z-bend mesh technology lifts debris to blow away for easier maintenance. Combined with a unique trough design, water flows into your gutter, not over it. And best of all, it fits any gutter or roof type and includes a 40-year warranty. You can see why over 270,000 homeowners have chosen to protect their homes with LeafBlaster Pro. When it comes to safeguarding your home, only the best will do. Get LeafBlaster Pro gutter guards installed by your local professional for ultimate gutter protection.